Shemai. Well, it's the second week of EDSE A212, and you'll be reading the first two chapters of your textbook about the developmental theories and research. This information will lay a broad foundation to build on for your future educational career. Now, the first chapter on the theories doesn't go into much depth, but you'll revisit the theorists later on in this course and other courses in your UAA program. Pay close attention to what appeals to you about the theorist's ideas about children and learning, because you're going to be starting to develop your own personal philosophy of education. Your philosophy will grow and change over time, and especially as you increase your education and your teaching experiences. Now, when you start to apply for jobs in education, you're going to be asked to articulate and justify your philosophy. And in fact, even when I applied for my job here at UAA at Kodiak College, I had to provide a written philosophy of education. And one of my interview questions was how I applied my philosophy of education to my teaching practice. So you're going to use this in your future career. Now, in Chapter 2, you'll get an overview of methods and reasons for using research to inform your teaching practice. Pay close attention to the information about becoming a thoughtful consumer of research. You're going to need these skills and consider these factors when choosing the resources for your own research when you write your paper for this class at the end of the semester. Now, when I think about my own early years in teaching, I recognize I should have used more research in my practice to provide answers and assurances to the questions and challenges that I had in my classroom. You're going to have great access to information through your UAA Consortium library resources. This week in your textbook is just a first exposure to research. If you go on for your master's degree, you'll delve even more into research and have the opportunity to try out action research in education in your classroom. Well, that's it. Enjoy learning about developmental theories and research this week. Take care.